So let's talk about breaking some generational curses. So breaking the curse. So you getting a job, that you breaking the curse. You're not going back to your old negative energy, your toxic traits, that you breaking the curse. You seeing yourself as being a better person every single day, that you breaking the curse. And you were chosen for a reason. You chose this mission before you came here on this planet or this plane of existence that we call Earth. So you chose the mission. You made the contract. Everything, your parents, every situation that you're put in right now is to make you a better person. So you have free will. You can break the contract if you want to, but you'll come back and repeat it again. So your goal is to love yourself and raise awareness amongst others. So you have to love yourself. Begin to love yourself like when you were a child. This is breaking the curse. So you have to put yourself first in all aspects. Doesn't matter if people don't like you, put yourself first.